The Xiaomi MIX Flip 2, launched in June 2025 in China, brings a major evolution to Xiaomi's foldable lineup. It runs on the powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, delivering top-level performance and upgraded AI capabilities. On the outside, a 4.01-inch cover display allows you to run apps without unfolding the device. Inside, there's a 6.86-inch display with an impressive 3200 nits brightness, perfect even under direct sunlight. For photography, Xiaomi continues its partnership with Leica. The MIX Flip 2 is equipped with two 50-megapixel cameras, a wide and an ultra-wide, plus a 32-megapixel front camera. This setup is optimized for selfies and creative shots. The design is sleek and minimalist, available in 4 standard colors, plus a special edition matching Xiaomi's new YU7 electric car. The device measures 7.57mm when open, 15.87mm when closed, weighs 199 grams, and houses a 5165 mAh battery with 67-watt wired and 50-watt wireless fast charging. But the standout feature is the Portable Photo Printer Pro. This thermal transfer printer, designed exclusively for the MIX Flip 2, delivers sharper and more detailed prints in a 50x76mm format. The phone docks directly onto the printer, allowing you to capture and instantly print photos. In L-shaped mode, it even works as its own stand for hands-free shooting. In a world dominated by digital sharing, Xiaomi brings back the charm of physical prints, combining nostalgia with modern technology. The MIX Flip 2 is not just a foldable powerhouse. It's a creative tool that blends performance, design, and instant photography. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more luxury and tech updates.